Hey, what's up, everybody? We are at Grand Army Plaza, where is the Prospect Parks, right here. And who's the statues right here? John John F. Kennedy's, May 29, 1917, November 2022. November 22, 1963. It's the 35th President of the United States, 1961 and 1963. So, John F. Kennedy, and I like his a famous what it says, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you do, ask what you can do for your country. That's a famous. He's the 35th President of the United States, 1961 and 1963. We are going to Prospect Park. Inside, we'll check it out with its cherry blossoms inside Prospect Park. And welcome, everybody. Thank you so much for your checking. It's 6:57 right now, New York time. And look at that, here's the fountains right here in front Grand Army Plaza. Look how beautiful these are, awesome fountains right here, so many. They shouldn't turn on the water. Welcome, everybody, and thank you so much for your check-in. Nice to see everybody here. Let's go in straight to the Prospect Park. Every time I make, every single day I'll be watching you. Wow, look at that, the statues. So many mint. That's how it is. Grand Army Plaza. There's a Brooklyn Public Libraries over there. Miss Meow Meow. That's Flatbush Avenue South, King Theaters up there. And this street here going to Prospect Park. Oh, I can't confuse though, because we still have a red light and people walking. 6 o'clock now. Here we go. Beautiful pink color. Wow. Oh, it's big puppy. Pretty. Pretty no smell. Wow. Beautiful, gorgeous. Ooh. What the lady wants. What the lady needs. What the girl wants. What the girl needs. She needs a flower. What the girl wants. What the girl needs. Alright, about getting inside, we'll get more flower coming down, and we feel more relaxing when you see the flower. Inside. Right there. Huge inside. Check it out. You see? Look at that. See how huge it is? Right there. That's whites, cherries, blossoms. Whites. The first one is pink. So all whites. Oh. You will see this flowers. Oh wow. That's amazing. See the flowers coming out? Oh so beautiful. Sit down under that and read the book. So really enjoys, more relaxing.